the 2012 Ford F-150. This is a pickup truck powered by a 3.7-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This rear-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Ford features fog lights, dual front airbags, and a CD player. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry, power windows, and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous 169-point inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, you're covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.